What's up, you guys? It's me, Kuro Anime Gamer 995, or you could just call me Kuro Anime Gamer for short. Back again with another unboxing video. It's been a while since I did one, but we're gonna be unboxing the Nico Robin One Piece Egghead Island Arc figure today. Now, it's been a while since I did an unboxing video, but I don't want to drag this out any longer. Let's get on with the video. As you can see, this is the front of the box. Nico Robin. She's showing too much. Giggity. I like it a lot. I like what I see. You can't say you don't either. Here's the right side of the box. Okay, opai. Okay. They're big. Alright, left side. I love Nico Robin. She's my favorite character in One Piece. I mean, she's my favorite waifu in One Piece. Look at her girl's so hot. And here's the back of the box. Keikoku. Keikoku. I don't know what that means. My Japanese vocabulary is lacking. Chou-i. And of course you got some kanji characters that I don't understand. I'm trying to see if I can understand some of these I know this right here, this kanji character means child. So basically it's just saying small parts, don't give it to a kid. This kanji character means kid. So yeah. It's just a warning basically. Seeing if I said I didn't want to drag this out, but let's just continue with the video. I'm kind of interested in reading it, but let's get on. All right, got my handy dandy box cutter. Oh, it's one of these box cutters. I mean, no, it's one of these tapes. It's taped on all 3 sides. And then here's a third one right here. I'm trying to be careful not to stab myself with the knife. Doing all this with one hand is very musakashi, very difficult. All right. I hope I ripped all of them. Yeah, there we go. Gift. Gifuto. I don't know, I'm always interested in reading these. I'm kind of rusty in my Japanese, but I want to give it a try again. That's the reason why I want to try to read some of this. But like I said, I don't want to drag the video any longer than I have to. Is there anything in the box? No. So we can just toss the box to the side. Okay. Let me see if we have any tape. So we have to cut off some tape right here. I need a knife. There. There's stand right here. Put this to the side. Namco Bandai's figures are easy to put together, so it shouldn't be that difficult. The Egghead boots are so big. Let's see. Ah. Oh, wait. Okay, there we go. I got it. And then we're gonna put the head on the top. I can't do this with one hand. I'll be right back, you guys. All right, I managed to get her on, her head on. Get her on. All right. So let's look at the details. I'm going from slowly from up to down. From the front. So you can see the details. My God, what a nice body. All right, right side. $4,000. I don't know what that says from my angle. I think it says VP. I like the boots from Egghead though. I like the boots. All right. Wait, I'm moving too quick. And then we got the back. Now, the other side, and I think that's gonna be it. SSG. I forgot what this stands for. I might have to look it up. And then there you have it. Just a quick unboxing video of One Piece Nico Robin Egghead Arc Island outfit. Well, you guys, it was Kuro Anime Gamer. I'll see you guys on the next unboxing video. Jana.